Do you know the difference between passive income and active income? Most people confuse the two, but understanding this difference can change the way you build wealth. In this video, we'll break it down in the simplest way possible. Active income. Active income is the money you earn by working directly. This could be your salary, wages, freelancing, or even running a small business where you work daily. The key point is, if you stop working, the money stops coming. Active income gives you stability, but usually requires time and effort every single day. Passive income. Passive income, on the other hand, is money earned with little to no ongoing effort after the initial setup. Examples include rental income, dividends from stocks, royalties, affiliate marketing, or YouTube automation channels like this one. The big benefit? You earn even while you sleep. But remember, passive income often requires an upfront investment of time, money, or skills. Key differences. Active income is limited by your time and energy. Passive income has the potential to scale and grow without constant effort. Most successful people don't rely on just one type. They use active income to cover daily needs, while building passive income for long-term financial freedom. So, now you know the key differences between passive and active income. Which one are you focusing on right now? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch my previous video on top 5 passive income ideas in 2025. It's linked right here.